Hello everyone, this is Nitish and this is Plums Initiative, which is Prelims Level Up MCQ series. Here we discuss 5 MCQs daily and this will help you in your UPSC preparation. Today is episode number 263 and I am dealing with Economics MCQ. But before starting this class, I would like you to please subscribe the channel and also like and comment on videos. These contents are free of cost, so for test series and foundation video, you can contact to Vice Sir on WhatsApp 7200 681 675. So let's begin. Today's MCQ number 1. With reference to economic concepts, which one of the following statement most appropriately describe the term bioeconomy? It implies the usage of environment-friendly and economically sustainable products in the agriculture sector. It is an economy based on development model through preservation of biological character in the society. It refers to an economy that uses renewable natural resources to produce food, energy, product and services. It is a type of economy powered through biogas production on a scale required to meet the national economic growth. So try to answer this question in 5 to 10 seconds. So its correct answer will be option number C, that it refers to an economy that uses renewable natural resources to produce food, energy, product and services. Now let's look at the explanation. The term bioeconomy generally refers to an economy that uses renewable natural resources to produce food, energy, product and services, which is the statement number C. Now let's look at the additional information. The important renewable natural resources include the biomass in forest, soil, fields, bodies of water, and sea and fresh water. The bioeconomy sector has huge potential growth. It will more than double from $17 billion at present to $150 billion by 2025. Now, move on to MCQ number 2. Which of the following is not correct with reference to nominal effective exchange rate and real effective exchange rate, that is NEER and DEER? The nominal effective exchange rate is the amount of domestic currency needed to purchase foreign currency. Real effective exchange rate is the weighted average of country currencies in relation to an index or basket of other major currencies. The NEER is an indicator of country's international competitiveness in terms of foreign exchange market. And option D, an increase in nations' REERs mean that its imports are becoming more expensive. So try to answer this question in 5 to 10 seconds. So its correct answer will be option number D, and option D is the incorrect statement regarding NEER and DEER. Now we will look in the explanation that why this option is incorrect. An increase in nation's REER is an indication that its exports are becoming more expensive and its imports are becoming cheaper. It is losing its trade competitiveness. That's why here it is mentioned an increase in nation's REER means that its imports are becoming more expensive, but here it is written that imports are becoming cheaper. That's why the statement number D is incorrect regarding REER. Now, MCQ number 3. Which of the following statement is are correct regarding Startup India Seed Fund Scheme? This question is a contemporary affair, so try to answer this question. It has been launched by Department of Science and Tech to promote startup in the technological sphere. It is a government-led platform where venture capitalists and new entrepreneurs can meet for the purpose of investment. To avail the benefits, a startup should not have received more than 5 crore of monetary support under any other central or the state government scheme. To avail the benefit, the startup should have been incorporated within 2 years and should have been recognized by DPIIT. So try to answer this question in 5 to 10 seconds. And here DPIIT full form is Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. So its correct answer will be option number D, which means option number D is the correct statement regarding Startup India Seed Fund Scheme. Now let's look at the explanation. The important eligibility condition for participation in the scheme is that a startup should not have been incorporated more than 2 years ago and should have been recognized by DPIIT, which is mentioned in the statement number D. That's why the statement number D is the correct statement. Now, MCQ number 4. Which of the following statement regarding logistics sector of Indian economy is correct? It is dominated by the inventory sector. It is highly automated. More than 60% of logistics sectors in India is run by organized player. And last option D is the cost to GDP ratio of the India's logistics sector is one of the highest in the world. So here you have to identify the correct statement regarding the logistics sector of the Indian economy. So try to answer this question in 5 to 10 seconds. So its correct answer will be option number D, that the cost to GDP ratio of Indian logistics sector is one of the highest in the world. Now let's look at the explanation. The cost to GDP ratio of logistics sector in India is one of the highest and the worst in the world, which is the statement number D, that one of the highest in the world. Now, while for India it stands at about 13 to 40% of GDP, for the rest of the world it is around 7 to 8% of GDP. That is the logistics sector contribution in terms of GDP. This reduces the competitiveness of Indian businesses as well as logistics sector individually in India compared to that in other countries. Now, last MCQs of today's class. The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy has came out with the bundling scheme. This is also a contemporary affair related question. So try to answer this question. You have to identify the objective of this scheme. Option A, to sell renewable energy and thermal power together, to sell rooftop solar energy to state owned power distribution company, that is DISCOM, to manufacture and procure hydrogen fuel with the help of people living in rural areas, and last option, to achieve grid synchronization of power from renewable sources with natural electricity grid. So try to answer this question in 5 to 10 seconds. So its correct answer will be option number A, that its objective is to sell renewable energy and thermal power together. In order to boost renewable energy sector, the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy has came out bundling scheme to supply round-the-clock power from wind and solar plant. The scheme proposes to sell renewable energy and thermal power together in bundle so that buyers can get the assurance of receiving from uninterrupted electricity supply, which is statement number A. That's why the statement number A is correct regarding this scheme. That's all for today's class. Hope you like the video and content. So next episode will be tomorrow. So please subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you.